Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It is said that little by little drop of water make a mighty ocean. But in this case, as you can see here in my bedroom, the shower is dropping little by little. So in this case, little by little drop of water make your tank empty. So what do you have to do? I'm going to do a video on how you can go about it. There are things you need. Number one thing is this tape, the water tape. Then if you don't have this, you can learn from any mechanic shop, or you can just buy it. It's not cost about 1.5. It doesn't get spoiled. Then this ever great, which is this head that you need to replace. Just this one from here to here, so it's what you are going to replace here. So when you're done with that, your tap will stop leaking and dropping. So what you have to do is to go outside and lock it from the outside so that you allow you do what you want to do. So follow me up, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. Let's go into it. So as you can see, it has stopped. I went to lock from the outside. So with this, you'll be allowed to do whatever you want to do. So let's get into it properly.
Let's take a quick pause. Could you do us a favor? If you enjoy our content, please hit the like button. To help even more, leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments.
So this is the first thing you need to do. You simply lose this one from this place. Just lose it from here. It's that easy. It's just for you to be careful and try as much as possible to definitely these are water that have been already inside, so you definitely get a spray, but it doesn't mean you did not lock it from the outside. It's just for you to avoid too much spray or water. So that's it. So as you can see, I've detached this from the head here. So the next thing you have to do now is to remove this. So here it is, we've done it. As you can see, we removed this, we are replacing it with this. So you can see they use something like a wool, something like that. There are different things you can use as a substitute to this, but for me, I will use this and see how it goes. You can actually still use the wool if you have it. So this is how it looks like. All you have to do is tape it round gradually. Make sure you do it neat and Okay. So So as you can see, it's like a bandage. This will allow the water to be fully stick, like prevent the water from coming out. As you can see, it's very tight. So the next thing you have to do is fix this one back, which is easy. You can as well tape here, which is this place. You can still tape it in the other one. Not that it's compulsory, but at least to make it also So we are done. It's not hard, as you can see. I just have to go put it on the other side and see how it went. So we are done. We've replaced it. I put it on from the other side. This was the bad one. We changed it and put in the new one we bought, as you can see. So I'm going to put it on now. Switch it on. As you can see, it's rushing. You can see it's rushing properly. So right now I'm going to put it off and see. Instant stop, as you can see. Once stopped, once. So this is how it's been done. I just saved myself some thousand, probably 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, 20,000, depending on the location, for a plumber work that you can easily do yourself. So this is how it's been done. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop down your comments. And if you have any parts you think you have, it's way bigger than you can ask the question on the comment section and I will reply. Thank you. God bless.